Hey there, Instagrammers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a quick and useful tutorial for you. We'll show you how to delete messages on Instagram. Whether it's those embarrassing messages or a single message that they might highlight later on. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Swipe right from your home feed or tap the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram direct messages. Here, you'll see all your ongoing conversations. Tap the conversation containing the message you want to delete. Now, tap and hold the specific message you want to delete. A menu will appear at the bottom with various options. Tap Unsend. And poof! Your message will disappear. And that's it. The message is now deleted, and it's like it was never there. So, whether you're clearing up your chat history or quickly removing a message you wish you hadn't sent, Instagram makes it easy to delete messages. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming!